Welcome! Today I'll show you how to change icon shape on your REALME X7 Max. First step, go into settings. Then in settings search panel, write icon style, this one, these options, I'll click, and need to choose icon styles, click, and here we got another icon styles and shape. For example, this one, this, or this. Maybe you want to change size these options. For example, more small or more bigger. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.